Kennedy. I've been driving a motorhome for 15 years, and I have been with Aric this is my 6th season.
Yeah, so first, the motorhome, it's not a necessity, but it is. We race 38 races a year, and only 2 of them are home races. So this is my home away from home. And so Tina just makes our life so much better, so much easier. Like, she just makes it to where I don't have to think about any of this stuff. Like, I can spend so much more time focusing on the things that are important for me to do my job and do my job well.
I was in banking. I'd been with a big bank for 15 years. My husband had been doing this for, at that time, 15 years. And the schedule was getting so hectic that he would go track to track, and we would go sometimes 6 to 8 weeks without seeing each other. Decided that I needed to take a break from banking and just see if I would like traveling with him. He was working for Richard Petty, and they had a marketing bus, and they needed someone to drive it to a few tracks. And when I was in high school, I had driven the school bus, and so we realized that, hey, if I can drive a school bus with 60 kids on it, I can drive one of these. The trickiest part for what I do out here, packing up, because sometimes we get in such a hurry when we're packing up.
Yeah.
It's easy to forget to do something.
Oh.
Power the water and the sewer hooked up, which I'll do once they're finished washing. I'll get the grill out and the chairs and the kids' toys before the slide outs go out so I don't hit my head. And then once all that's done, then I'll start the bus, slide out, level, then we'll work on the inside. Athletic driver, the bike rides on the bed. You can see, just like an airplane, items may shift while in motion. My husband and our schedule doesn't mesh, and he doesn't go to every race, so when he doesn't, say if I came here straight from Richmond, I would sleep on here until my hotel room started.
She lives in this motorhome when we're not here, and it's a really close relationship that you have to build to make it all work. This is our home, and so there's days where she has to come in and help us to keep his schedule going and his work going, and there's days where we're having complete meltdowns with kids, and mommy's at her worst maybe, or we're having a bad day, and so just that comfort that we have built with her, and that extends to Archie, and that we truly view them as part of our family, and that we can't do this without her. Like, Alex will say, can I ride with Miss Tina to go pick, wait for Daddy after practice and pick him up? Yep. And I know that he's gonna show her respect, and she's gonna say, sit down over here. Don't get me started. When we get down to like the end of the season, we have to just make me.
Yeah, but Tina will be a part of our family forever, if she wants to.
Our craziness.
Yeah.
I have never worked with someone as genuine as Aric. From the beginning, I felt like it was family. What we do is a personal service, and we take care of them, but we're also an employee, so it's a fine line. But with them, they've always made me feel like there was no line. And then the children, what's not to say, they're cute as a button and have me wrapped around their finger. As soon as I hear Miss Tina, I light up, and then if I'm down having a bad day, they'll pick me up as soon as I see them. Of course, Janice is a sweetheart. She'll do anything for you.
So for me and Janice, like, this is our option to still have our family come and be a part of the race weekend. And it has produced some of the best family memories. Like, I've watched my kids take their first steps in a motorhome. She is a wonderful woman, obviously takes care of the bus and takes care of me very well, but she is honestly an extension of our family.
Let's go to the grocery store and get a Smithville ham. We are actually getting ready to go inside and grab his dinner tonight so we can prep. Boss wanted a ham today, so let's do this. She's ready. I'm gonna go get my gloves and we'll put her inside. There we go.
Can I tear into
It's
it?
all yours.
All right.
Channy, let's put this in there for a second. Channy wants to ask you a question about Miss Tina.
What's your favorite thing that she does for you?
Everything. She got me Nutella.
She got you Nutella.
Nutella.
She is good about the details.
The next week you show up
The
to the
next
bus,
week,
it'll be on the bus.
she's got it for you.
I like everything about her.
What about Archie? Mr. Arch.
I don't like Archie.
What?
Yeah, he tricked me.
You love Mr. Arch.
Right now, the weather looks good, so we're gonna go ahead and start packing up. Staying on here tonight. I'm gonna put the grill away, the chairs, and get the truck ready to load up the golf cart. There's not really an off day.
Got a busy week ahead of you.
Busy week.
How long has Tina been?
She started with us your last year at Petty's.
2017. She's the first person I see. She's sitting on the golf cart waiting to take me back to the motorhome lot. So yeah, when you said like she sees us at our good days and our bad
all
days,
of the above.
like yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, she's a part of all of it. I'm on pit road or after the race or whatever, you're still like switched on, like you're still race car driver, right? You walk back and you know there's fans everywhere and stuff and you're still like switched on, but then as soon as you get on the golf cart, it's almost like, all right, my day's over, it's time to go home, right? Like she's driving me on the golf cart to come home, to change and to be back at the motorhome.
Careful
All right.
driving home.
Yeah, we will see.
Thank you. See you guys.
Yeah,
Just say it. Go ahead.
that's a wrap. You need another one?